this is what I'm wearing on the plane. I'll step back here so you can see my shoes, which are the Dansko little ballet flats. They're super comfortable, and you can see they're Danskos, and that's what they look like. I can walk all day in these. So that's what I'm gonna wear on my feet. I am wearing some Lululemon, just leggings. They don't really have a pocket in them, and then I was thinking of wearing this Eagle Creek kind of hidden belt to go underneath to carry passports and credit cards and money and things of that nature, because I'm debating bringing a purse, like a crossbody purse. This scarf I was told about by the Facebook group, and this is the Oslo scarf, and you can see there's a hidden pocket in here. And I actually had my mom, who's a great quilter, put an extra zipper in here on the bottom of it, so because I sleep with a neck roll as a pillow, otherwise I get neck cramps, travel, and then I can put whatever else in here, so it's kind of like a hidden pocket within a hidden pocket. And this is the Wayfarer. This is the Oslo print. I can put the link down below. So that is that. And then I can use this to cover my eyes, cough, because I have a cough, or just, cover my kid's head in it, because I'm going to be wearing a kid too, so I can just kind of cover her face in it if I need to in the nighttime. I was also thinking of putting like my eye mask in here and my earplugs. Sorry, I'm not wearing any makeup. Okay, so that is the Oslo Wayfinder scarf. You can kind of see here, like so. It's mostly gray. And then I've got this jacket on. I'll be wearing a kid too, so this will be, with a kid right here. So this is like a pleather jacket that I actually got at a maternity store. Forever Go, but it's drapey, really cozy. And also works as a blanket. And this is made of cotton, polyurethane, viscose polyester. Pretty warm, not exactly a windbreaker, but it works pretty well. This is a kind of off the shoulder. You can go off the shoulder like this if I so choose to kind of dress this up while we're traveling. And I can make it go down so that it kind of covers my butt. You can kind of do like a one shoulder, a no shoulder. You can kind of bring it in so it's drapey, pull the sleeves up. From Stella and Dot. Love it. It's super cozy. So this is going to be one of my long sleeve shirts while we're traveling. And this Stella and Dot shirt, very soft, is viscose polyester elastane, and yeah, so nice and cozy. This is a white V-neck that I got from Lululemon, and I forget the name of it. It's like the Love Me Tee or something like that. But it's like Lululemon, so it dries easily. So Lululemon. And then I just have like a nude bra underneath. Okay, so this is an Abercrombie & Fitch shirt. It is a viscose spandex blend, I believe, and these are some level 99 skinny gray jeans. All right, and then layering over top is this blue denim chambray shirt that I got from Banana Republic. And this is it got a little wrinkly, but it's a, what is the blend on here? Cotton lyocell. Yeah. And then there's like a little tab on here, which I was curious about what this does, so I'll show you. So this little tab here, actually, you can tie your shirt in a knot, and it'll hold it in place like this. So if I were to undo it, you can see right here, this little tabby guy right here. So when you're actually wearing it like down, it's hard to tell what it's about. Here's a long sleeve from Patagonia. It's a base layer. And then I have this graphic tee. I know it's not like Europe-y, but I don't know. I mean, who doesn't like bees? So I've got this shirt, and then I can layer on the chambray over it. I could throw this jacket on if it gets really chilly. And this is actually my pajama shirt too. So I'll show my pajama bottoms. All right, so these are my pajamas. These are just some cozy Lululemons that are nice and cottony, stretchy, I think. I got them forever ago, but they're super cozy. And they're actually not stained at all, and I could probably wear them in public if I really wanted to, just because they are actually pretty nice with pockets. So there's that. So this is a stretchy sheath dress that I was thinking more for like warmer days. It's just nice and cozy. It doesn't really show anything. There's no like leg or anything, so I can walk in church with it. It's got pockets for, I don't know, tickets, chopstick, whatever you want. And I was thinking of layering it as needed with this scarf, so I could, you know, dress it up with this. Another fun thing about this is I could dress it up with a chambray shirt. And then I could knot it to create more of a waist. And then you use that little tab to hold it in place. And then, of course, gray and black always go together. So this also goes with my jacket. Oh, and I'm still wearing the black shoes. I forgot the white ones upstairs. So, but I could wear those for when, say, I end up overwearing these shoes, or like I walk, you know, 10 miles in one day with these shoes. I can alternate with my other ones. So there's that. And then if I really wanted to, I could put one of the t-shirts on over this, so this looks more like a skirt. So I could take, like on a colder day and I wanted to layer, I could always put the leggings on underneath this, because it's not really going to show, and then I could layer this on over and it'll just look like I'm wearing a long skirt, like so. So kind of like dress up the dress, or dress down the dress. Okay, so that was all pretty monochrome with the black and white and a little bit of that pink. So I decided to dress it up with this a little bit. So this is a just kind of stretchy, just a little bit stretchy dress, really cozy. It's like a crepey kind of material, but it's more like a t-shirt dress with pockets, which is important to me. This is more for the warmer days. So it doesn't quite work with the rest of the wardrobe as much. So like the scarf is like, I don't know, it just looks like a clash of like winter and summer a little bit to me. But I could wear it with this, and I could also put the leggings on underneath if I so chose. And then of course when you're traveling in cold, like really who cares? So, you know, for a day and night kind of look, I guess you could go like this. And I mean, I'm still wearing the shoes to match with the black, and this is like a black and navy with a little bit of color. So, you know, I could just kind of go like that, and it's like a nice pretty skirt. So yeah, that's kind of my capsule wardrobe, and you may be able to see like the tees and the bottoms can all kind of go together. I am only bringing the one pair of jeans to go a bit more minimal. But I've got this dress to wear as a different bottom another day. I've got the dress, the gray dress to wear as another bottom another day. So I can wear the, you know, jean, dress, and then go back to the jeans. And that's for like 12 days straight. So I wear jeans a lot. I mean, how many of us wear a lot of jeans? So anyway, I hope that was helpful. Oh, and I didn't even re-wear this gray shirt. I'll put this on again. Okay, so here's the gray shirt. One with jeans and the black shoes, and I put my hair down just to kind of show you can dress it up. You can wear like a long dangly necklace with this too, and if you so chose, you can kind of go off the shoulder with this, and it's more of a night kind of dress or shirt like that. So again, you can kind of like pull it up a little bit, just kind of ruche it, wear it down, kind of form-fitting or more baggy, however you want to do it. So this shirt is definitely a great shirt. I love it. I kind of like it as more the one shoulder kind of a look. Just maybe for like a nice dinner or something like that while you're out. And if my kids get their grubby hands on it, it'll hide a little bit more. Okay, so hopefully that's helpful for ideas for your capsule wardrobe. Let me know if you have any questions or any tips. Like you're looking at my outfits and you're like, you really need to add more color. I was thinking of adding in another scarf. Let me know if you like this. Okay, so I was debating of adding this scarf. It's a little bit more lightweight, and it's just a plain old scarf with a little bit more blush in it, as you can see. And it's a bit more white and light, so it kind of goes as more of a contrast, say, with the coat. So this could be another kind of way to dress up an outfit. And then it can go with the purse, which, oh, I haven't even shown you, like my giant purse. Let me show you that purse that I also got. Okay, so this is my ridiculously large bag, but I love it. It's also Stella and Dot, and I know it's got brown on it, so this will be a bit of a contrast to the rest of everything that I have. So black, brown. But then one thing I love about it, well, a couple things. It has like this little detail on it with the arrow, and it has this crossbody strap. So I can go like this. This is kind of going to be our like diaper bag, catch food bag, sippy cups, blankets, that kind of a thing. But it expands and reveals this really cute pattern like this. So you get like 4 extra inches here, which would be really handy when we're on the plane, because this is going to be my kind of a bag. So that is the bag here, and I've already loaded it with like diapers and some wipes, and then there's already some food in here. So this bag is going to be pretty much going with everything that I'm wearing. Okay, so I forgot to show you how I make my little burrito roll clothes. So let me kind of demonstrate here. So this is actually my this shirt, my Think Apollonia shirt. So the way you do it is you take the bottom, you take a few inches and you roll it up, maybe about 4 inches or so, like that. You fold it in half, flip it, and then you take the sleeves, tuck them in, and then you roll. And of course you can do this a little bit neater than I am right now. Okay, so here's the key part. When you get to the end, okay, so you lift it up, and then you've got this kind of flap here where the seam is, okay? And then you take it and you fold it over like that, and you end up with like a little t-shirt burrito. Okay, and just with jeans too, so you just need to make sure that they're buttoned like so, and you again just fold the one of the ends down like this, and then you fold it in half, spin it, okay, like that, and then you roll it from one end, okay. So now again, when you get to the end here, okay, so on the back side, I've got that kind of roll, and I've got a pocket under my right hand here. So what you do is you take this one that was kind of underneath, so roll, 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 take the back side here, make sure it's nice and tight, and then this is what you flip over. And it's easier to do this with jeans that are a little bit stretchy, like these ones are, which you're probably going to want for your quick dry kind of technique. So there is a little jean burrito roll. Okay, so here's how I do the button down. I just did every other as a button. So again, on the bottom, just fold it over a few inches. And then with this curvature here, you kind of want to do a little bit extra on the sides here. So, like so. And then fold it over. And then take the sleeves, tuck them in like so, so that everything is contained within this edge here. Turn it around. And then roll. And then of course you can roll as tightly as you want. I'm just demonstrating here. Okay, so again, you get to the end, backhand here, takes the fabric. Remember, this is rolled. So this fabric rolls over and the bottom over. Now this one was a little bit tricky because it had that scalloped edge, not scalloped edge, but curved edge, but still it holds. So I've got a chambray, like a long sleeve, kind of 3/4 length sleeve, and that just stays the way it is. So I've got my jeans and my shirt, and that way it can all just fit right into your
packing cubes.
Okay, so again, thank you for following me to the end of this video. I hope it was helpful, and let me know if you have any tips for me as I go on this trip with my family and hopefully have all kinds of fun and also feel comfortable at the same time. Thank you so much.